Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Friday, May 29th and the time is around uh, 4 a.m. GMT. So today we will be providing an update for the ASX 200. Uh, this is the Australian index. The symbol is XJO. This is different than the ASX All Ordinary, which is XAO. So this is the smaller sort of. It has a 200 stocks here in the ASX 200 here, XJO. Okay, so we can see right here. What we're looking for right now is we have one with two in the blue degree right here. So that means the move is an impulse, and we are within wave 3 right now in the blue, which subdivides into another 5 waves: 1 in red, 2 in red, 3 in red, 4 in red is expected to finish soon. Then after that we can go higher again. Now of course this 4 here ideally as a guide shouldn't really drop much below. Typically it's going to end somewhere between 23.6 38.2. This is the ideal location to end on wave 4. Sometimes it can do a little bit bigger, but ideally this is the place. And also ideally should not go much more below the 50% of the wave 3. Okay, if it drops too much, then there is a risk that this can become it, it it will become something else and not becoming, you know, like a 5 waves. Now alternate can be many different things, right? Let me discuss the alternate a little bit later, but for now want to look at the context in the larger degree first. So remember, this is the 1 and 2 in blue. If we take a look at the 4-hour chart, this is the position of the 1 and 2. So this is of course the COVID-19 low, March 23rd. Then from there we have a rally, right? So this seems to be in the connector from the lows, and then after that we got what looks to be an impulsive move. If you measure the extension of the 1 and 2, you can see we hit the 1.618 extension right now. Okay, so technically we do have an extension there. Could potentially end with 3 pretty soon, with or without one more push higher. Now ideally with another one, ideally with another leg higher, but if it starts to do a bigger pullback, then obviously we can count it to be finishing 3 in blue here, and then we could perhaps, you know, change the position a bit of this labeling, right? Let me double check if I can do it. Now this one seems to be currently the shortest wave, so I cannot call this 1 2 3 4 5 as it is the shortest wave for now. So we have to come up with different ways to label it. Maybe call 3 here in the red, 4 here in the red, and then 5 in the red, ending 3 in blue, which is the alternate in case the drop here gets a little bit bigger, right? So if the drops get a little bit bigger, this could be already ending 3 in blue and then do a wave 4 in blue already, instead of just doing this wave 4 in red and one more push higher before ending 3 in blue. Now looking at the 4-hour, we got two different options here. So this is either ending this is either ending another 1 2, okay, over here, which looks like a diagonal here. Alright, so you can have a 1 2 1 2 nesting, or it can also be a simple ABC, of course. So this could have been an AB as well, which is also another possibility. Now both possibilities here suggest that we could see for the upside, and we could see a 5 ways up here in this leg at least, which doesn't look completed. If you mention the 100% extension, assuming the conservative view of an ABC, let's say, then you will see that we have not reached the 100% extension, which is this one, 62.73. So therefore we still expect more upside in the index here. All right, so the idea is that we should be able to get at least into this area 62.73, and then from there the market is going to decide is this an impulse, or is this just a zigzag? For example, if it is an impulse, then technically we can even extend a lot higher, right? Because with 3 can go to all the way to 1.618. So but this is the minimum, sort of the 100%, which is this one, which has not been reached. So most likely then we should continue to see further support here, and any pullback therefore can continue to find support. Now this ABC pullback here, for example, now it could be completed. Look, it has already hit the 100%. Now this marginal low here, now of course nobody can know exactly whether we're gonna make a marginal low or not. I think the more important thing is the overall idea. This could be completed, for example, and we can already starting to turn higher from where we are. So it really doesn't need to make another push lower, but the idea is that we should continue to be supported. If you look at the 4-hour, the real key level from the view that we're going to extend higher really is this 2 here. So as long as we are comfortably above this level, then we should expect any pullback to eventually still finding support and go another leg higher. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe, and as always, if you want to check our service, and if you are new, then you can try our service 14 days for free. The link is provided in the description of the video that you can find below. Alright, so see you all again next week. Have a nice weekend, everyone.